trust me, it shows an alert. That means the second link is bypassing it. Second link is bypassing it. Only first link is not bypassing it. When first link is not bypassing and you are directly using it, you see the first link is directly used. Second link is using bypass security, and it is accessing that access URL and using it. In that case, what happens is now you are bypassing the DOM sanitizations and you are allowing it. That's the reason you can see there is only one warning, and that warning is related to this first one. It says that you are using some untrusted URL. I will not allow that. But here you are using a trusted URL. It is okay. You can continue. Why? Because sometimes what happens is we should allow the user to do so, because depending on that particular situation. So when they click on that, that means it will allow the configurations. That is how we do. These kind of options are very much required, especially when you are dealing with various types of contents. So generally, this is just an example I have given you to understand bypass security trust URL. Sometimes we use resource URL. Resource URL means, suppose resource URL, HTML, so many are there. So as I given you the list, that means HTML, trust script, trust style, trust URL. Currently, we use a trust URL. Trust resource URL is nothing but if you are trying to embed some videos or some other contents of websites into your website, you are trying to embed. Embedding the other website contents into your content is always a problem. That means if you are trying that, then issues will come. That's the reason we need to configure. We need to change. So that means we need to use sanitizers. And configure them. For example, suppose we have YouTube videos. So YouTube video. I'm using a YouTube video. Here I search for some YouTube video, some Naresh IT, some video I search. So this is Naresh IT videos, some video I configured there. Yeah. And some video is there. So when some video is configured here, so I just open any video here. So, and what I will do here is this video link, I will copy this video link. The video link. And you know how to embed the videos into your application actually. So I copied that video link. So that means here I'm using a video URL actually. So public video XSS video URL. And this is the video URL actually. This is the video URL. And I think you know that this video URL, actually, if you want to use here, we need to remove this part and you say embed / you need to configure in this way. You know how to embed videos, right? So that means YouTube video, you can just bring it and you can change it to embed and use that video ID. So video ID. So this is XSS video URL. And we have another property that is trusted video URL. And how this trusted video URL works, that means here what we are doing is this dot trusted video URL is using this dot sanitizer. But this time you need to configure. So by using bypass security and trust resource URL, you need to define resource URL because you are bringing from some other resource. From which resource? This dot XS video URL, that is from external source. This is from trusted resource URL. That is how we need to configure. That is the trusted. And usually where you show these videos, actually, generally to show the videos, usually we need an iframe. So that means here I'm saying video. And usually we need an iframe to embed the videos and display. Usually we use iframes for embedding the video. That means here we are using SRC, video iframe SRC is equal to. So here we have a XSS video URL. You are embedding that XSS video URL. And similarly, so we are using, so this is one iframe. Another iframe is defined. So in the next line, this is not, don't trust, right? So it is a video, don't trust URL, trust URL. Like this I have defined. And here I configured another on trust URL for video, right? So video. And here we have used an iframe, and here it is using an SRC source. And here you are using is a trusted video URL. That is how we generally configure. And here, when you are configuring them and we are using them, here when you are embedding and using them, and you can see that, so the iframes are here. So the configuration of iframes are here. And first one is not allowing the video. Second one is allowing the video. This is the trust URL for video, so that you can directly embed the video and play the video here. Embed and play the video here. And you can see that. So this first one is blocked. It is not allowed. And there are a lot of issues in your and lot of warnings will be there in your console. So that means it is related to delivering the cookies and accessing the cookies. So many issues are related to this video. So, and now here you are trusting that video, so which is coming from external source and integrating that into this. That means that is allowing it. This is actually the concept of how do you generally handle the securities in Angular. That means Angular application. Many people think that login, register, this is the security of Angular. That is not security Angular. Security of Angular is this. That is application security. Anything, you can just use a sign-in page, registration page, use sessions from server-side integration. Security related to Angular is about all these sanitizations. This is what important you need to know, right? So then one more topic is there. After understanding this, I will give this example. One more topic is there. And the topic is what is new in Angular 10, differences with Angular 10, that we will discuss in tomorrow's session. Then with that, we will finish the concept, right? Tomorrow, I will tell you what are the new things added into Angular 10. How do we set up for Angular 10, right? Yes. Yeah, this example I will update there, right? This example I will post there. Animation notes not shared with you. Animation related notes not shared. Fine. Okay, then I will share it. No problem.